Okay, guys, welcome back to another video right inside my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to do the fake snow effect inside of Premiere Pro and with the help of Photoshop. So let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do first and foremost, I'm going to come to my Windows and I'm going to click on my color, lumetric color. So I'm going to bring down my color adjustment. Okay, before I go to color adjustment, I'm just going to play around with the HSL color panel. Then I'm gonna go to yeah, curves. So let me okay, let me just summarize the whole thing. I'm gonna go to curves and I'm gonna click on U versus U. So I'm gonna click on this spot here. I'm gonna click on this blue magenta curve and I'm gonna lift up the green or the yellow part above a little. Then I'm going to come to the U versus U. I'm going to literally do the same thing. And now I'm going to pull down this yellow part right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to open my Photoshop. But before I go to Photoshop, I'm going to look for a particular spot that I want, and I'm going to do a screenshot of the picture. Is already on JPEG. I'm going to import it into projects. I'm just going to rename still photo. I'm going to rename as still photo. Then I'm going to come down to Photoshop. I'm going to open the file that I save. Is still photo. I renamed as still photo. Yeah. So I'm going to open the file. Now that we are in Photoshop, what I'm going to do is to click on this icon, then go to black and white. It's already in black and white, it's already on, but I'm going to do some adjustments. So I'm going to go into the green aspect. I'm going to take the green up to the amount that I feel is okay. And for the yellow, I'm going to increase the yellow just a little. Doesn't it's not really important though, but depending on what you want to achieve, then I'm going to close. I'm going to come back to this toggle. I'm going to click on hue and saturation. For the hue and saturation, I'm going to decrease the saturation to the extreme end, and then the lighting depend on how much I want the lighting to go. But looking at this already is so not appropriate, so I'm going to bring it down a little. So I'm gonna before I do that, the important thing is, okay, let me bring it down to zero. The lighting, and take it back to zero. But before you actually do that, I will advise you um you click on the master, you turn it to green to have a clearer or more perfect finishing. Then I'm going to go back to the same thing that I was doing before. Then I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to go back to the U versus U. I'm going to turn it from normal to um, luminosity. Then I'm going to resave what I have done on in Photoshop. I'm gonna go to export. Then I'm gonna go to color lookup table. That's how you save presets inside of Photoshop. Then I know I did the format setting with Steve Photo, but I'm gonna save it with another name so I can easily know what I saved inside of inside of Photoshop. Then I'm going to save it as HH for me to be able to remember what I saved with. Now we are back to Premiere Pro. What's the next thing to do? I'm going to create an adjustment layer. I'm going to create an adjustment layer. I'm going to drag and drop my adjustment layer above my initial video that I was playing around with before, which is this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight my adjustment layer. I'm going to go back to my I'm going to come back to basic correction, and I'm going to import what I initially saved, which is still photo HH. Boom, that's it. Now how to create a fake um, um, snow, because this is a free footage which is The fake, it's called fake, 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 fake. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come to my video that I initially have. So I'm just going to click on the red, click the color on gray. Just gonna do a little bit of refine on the shirt, sorry, on the skin, I mean to say, on the skin. Make sure it's affecting just the skin. I'm gonna make sure it's affecting just the skin. Then I'm going to increase my denoise and my blood to some extent, and I'm gonna increase the color of the skin. I don't want to go too far, just right about there. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and click, I'm gonna search for my fake snow effect. I'm gonna go and search for my fake um fake snow effect that I have, or I already okay, here we have my fake snow effects on my timeline. I'm gonna go search for um ultra key. Search for my ultra key. I'm gonna drag and drop on my green screen effect. But before I do that, the footage of the green screen effect is a little bit small. So I'm just gonna expand it to make sure it gets all around my screen. Then I'm gonna go click on my color key. I'm going to drag and drop on footage. The, yes, what we have, it's looking pretty amazing.